Alright guys, so this is a real quick video. My windshield washer pump actually went out, and I saw that there wasn't really any quick easy guides on the internet, so I just wanted to put out a quick video to show you how it's done. So you're got 3 bolts that are keeping your headlight in, which has to be removed. It's probably the most difficult portion of this entire thing. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so removing those 3 in real time took about 2 minutes. And then you just gotta gently slide this forward. It may give you just a little bit of tension, a little bit of a struggle, but shouldn't be that bad. Don't yank on it because you could pull the harness for the light out. So now that you have it just off to the side, I will adjust the camera so it's a little bit easier to see. So you can see with the light pulled forward, you have more than enough room to access the pump assembly. You don't even have to take the harness for the light off. Now you can easily see the pump assembly right here with the supply lines to the driver and passenger side, and then the harness that actually powers it. I found the easiest way was actually to unclip these first and then pull it out from the tank and then unclip it. I've already done this previously. I'm just showing you guys how to do it, so I'm not going to pull it because I have a full tank right now. But it's a super easy thing to do. So if you see that your windshield washer sprayer is getting weak, don't always assume that it's something with the nozzle. It's probably this pump. So I'm gonna bolt that light back on and we'll go from there. So there you have it. I bolted up the 3 10mm bolts that retains the light assembly. This took about 10 minutes real time. So if you have a weak spray on your 2009 to 2014 F-150 or Raptor, this is how you replace that. One thing to note before you go off and order parts is that the Ford Raptor requires part number WG312, and all other F-150s are part number WG318. I don't really know what the difference is between the two, but when I was ordering them, it was spelled out that there is a difference. So hope that comes in handy. So if you found this video helpful in installing a windshield washer fluid pump for your 2009 to 2014 F-150 or Raptor, please give it a like, thumbs up, whatever. Subscribe if you want more information on these 2009 to 2014 Ford Raptors. I also try to cover some F-150 stuff where applicable, so thanks again for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Bye.